Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Monday, December 19th. Can you believe it? We're on our 9th day of our 10-day planting challenge. I appreciate all the guesses that are coming in. It was supposed to rain or snow or something last night. It didn't get cold enough to freeze, so we left everything open. And I realized I said it wrong the other day. I think I said corn flour instead of corn salad, and it's mosh. But it's cold hardy. But we're forecast to get down to -1 wind chill minus, oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and plant here next to our first tote. I'm gonna open it up and see if we got anything going on in there. So I'm gonna plant right next to it, so I'm just gonna move this out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and open up down the soil first. Let's see what we got here. On their first true leaves, and I'm not really sure if we got anything else germinated yet. We'll know in the next few days, I would imagine. So what are we going to plant today? We're going to plant some Oriental Greens, and we're going to plant some beets. And I know I've got my own beet seeds, but I want to try some of these Detroit Reds. Has anybody ever said you can't have enough beets? I'm actually going to space those out. I'm going to make 2 rows. I'm saving back the rest of the seeds. Now the Oriental Greens, I'm not sure about these. This is the first time we've grown them. These are little round seeds just like all the other brassicas. So I'm going to make 1 row on this side. I don't know how big these are supposed to get. And we'll see what our germination rate is, and we'll thin them out as we need to. You know, I like to thin things out. Just nice soil contact's all we need. I'm going to go ahead and button this one back up. Seal that one up. Let's get some leaves on here. Get a little bit between them. The ground still is wet enough. We don't even have to worry about watering these. There you go. We got 9 days worth of seeds in the ground. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think I'm going to plant tomorrow. And we're almost at the shortest day of the year. You know what that means? Spring is right around the corner. And I know I've been doing more than one at a time. And there's probably more on the list that I've missed. Leave a comment down below if there's things that you'd like to see me plant. Now, I don't want anybody to guess parsley. It is on the December list, and it does better if you plant it from starts. We're going to start some more seeds in the house, but the 3 that I have going now that are really good, my wife told me they're not leaving the house. She's cooking with them, so I'm not planting those out in the garden. Anyhow, so don't guess parsley. I also don't know if I'd guess beets, although, have you ever heard anybody say you can't have enough beets? Yep, that was our 5th planting, and they're in all different stages of sprouting. All joking aside, I do need to get some more mulch before it gets dark. We do have some really cold weather coming down the line. Everybody out there, do what you can to protect what you have and stay warm. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.